Hello viewers, welcome to SumanTV. My name is Padmavthi from Sharp Minds Abacus, Narayanguda. Today I am going to teach you 3-digit multiplication with the help of tricks. So this multiplications will be helpful for you. Okay, so let's see how to do the sums. So first sum is 123 into 132. So here you have to write like this 1 2.
CMR Shopping Mall, మన హైట్ నగర్ లో భాగ్యలత కమాన్ పక్కన ఫిబ్రవరి 29న ప్రముఖ సినీ తారలచే గొప్ప ప్రారంభం.
And 3 should be separated from this. So from 123, so first you will write 12 and 3. Okay, same thing is applicable for the second one also, 13 and 2. Okay, so here first step is we will do 3 into 2. So 3 into 2 is 6. So these two numbers I am doing multiplication. Okay, so 3 into 2 is 6, and in the second step we will do cross multiplication. So 12 into 2 plus 13 into 3. So 12 into 2 is 24 plus 13 into 3 is 39. Okay, so we have to add these two numbers. So it will become 63. Okay, the third step is we will do multiplication of these two numbers, that is 12 and 13. So if you do multiplication of 12 and 13, it will be 156. Okay, plus this number should be carried forward to the next step. So 156 plus 6, that will become 162. So the answer is 162, 3 and 6 is the answer. 162, 3 and 6. I'll explain this sum once again. First, for 3 digits, you have to write the numbers like this. So first you will take 12 and 3, 13 and 2. So the first step is 3 into 2. So 3 into 2 is 6. Okay. So in the next step we have cross multiplication. So 12 into 2, yeah, plus 13 into 3, that will become 24. 12 into 2 is 24 plus 13 into 3 is 39. So if you add both the numbers, you will get the answer as 63. So whenever we get 2 digits, we have to carry forward the first digit to the next level. Okay, so here in the last step we are doing multiplication of these two numbers, that is 12 into 13. So 12 into 13 is 156 plus the carry forward number, we will add it here. So it will become 162. See, in Vedic maths we use we take the answer from the last. So the answer is 16236 is the answer. Now we will see the next sum. The sum is 112 into 203. So first step is, first we will write the numbers 11 and 2 separately, and the next number is 20 and 3. Okay, so in the first step, that is 2 into 3, these two numbers we will multiply. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Okay, in the second step we have 11 cross multiplication we will do. So here we will take 11 into 3 plus 20 into 2. Okay, so 11 into 3 is 33 plus 20 into 2 is 40. Okay, so if you add both of them, we will get 73 as answer. Okay, so we got 2 digits, so we are carry forwarding 1 digit to the next step. Okay, in the third step we will do 11 into 20, that will become 220, yeah, plus the carry forward 7. Okay, this 7 we are adding here. Okay, so it will become 227. So the answer we will take from the down. So 22736 is the answer. I'll explain this sum once again. So here 112 means first I took 11 and 2 separately. Now 203 means 20 and 3 separately. First we are doing these two numbers multiplication, that is 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Okay, in the next step we have cross multiplication. So 11 into 3 is 33 plus 20 into 2 is 40. Okay, so if you add both the numbers, you will get the answer as 73. So whenever we get 2 digits, we have to carry forward the first digit to the next step. So here we have the last step is 11 into 20. So in 11 into 20, if you do 11 into 20, you will get 220 plus the carry forward number. This will become 227. So the answer we will take from the last. So the answer is 22736 is the answer. So I am going to give some examples. So I want you to try the same pattern what I have followed and do comment me about this. So the first sum is 128 into 199. Okay. The second sum is 284 into 165. And the third sum is 366 into 142. Please do these sums and do comment the answers. Thank you.